So in today's video, we're gonna do a crappy job.
The following program contains scenes and language of a frank and explicit nature. Viewer discretion is advised.
I went to flush my black tanks, and common problem, the flush wouldn't work. So usually it's the quick flush valve in the top of the black tank that gets clogged up. And the remedy to do it is take it apart and drill out the holes bigger, clean them out, and make them a little larger. So that's what we're doing. Already started on it. So basically I removed my door, which is 4 screws typically on my coach anyway. Here, 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 and here. And you really need 2 people to do this job. One to hold the door because it's too heavy to hold by yourself and try to get the screws lined up. The reason these look like Swiss cheese is that's because this door has been off and over the years a couple times, and as with a lot of Tiffin products or RVs in general, I don't want to bash Tiffin because I love my Tiffin, but the self-tapping screws that they use strip out when you got to put them back in. Hence, you have to make new holes. So I don't have my gloves on. I'm not going to pick it up yet, but I'll show you later. That's the black tank right here. Okay, this is the gray tank. And that is the valve that's plugged. If you can see those 3 little holes in the bottom, they get plugged up and they're very, very tiny. That's the flush valve. The hose goes over to where my connection is on my flush tank. So we're going to drill them out and see if that remedies it. I know it will. I can tell it's plugged. It's not leaking any water, and I just had 80 pounds of pressure on it. So basically what we got to do is we got to drill them out, make sure it's clear, and then put everything back together. So when we do that, we should be in business. I got to seal it back up too, and I have Dicor here, and I have some Sikaflex 221. Oh, I'm not sure what I'm going to use. I'm probably going to use the Dicor in case it has to come off again. The Sikaflex is super hardening, so it might make it too difficult to get off. I had Dicor on it when I took it off, and I don't know if it's ever been removed before I purchased the coach. So we'll get at it. I'm going to put my gloves on because it's poopy and it stinks. Okay, put my trusty gloves on. They say it's a 3/32 bit. I'm gonna take a look at it. Let's see what we got here. Of course, that one's MIA. Let's try the 1/8. See what we got. A pretty big hole. That's what we're going with. Yeah, that was nasty. Got some poopy water on my wrist. That's always fun. All right, let's see what happens here. Oops. Holy fuck. Let's see what happens here. Holy. Well, I am now covered in poop. But that was the problem, huh? So is my GoPro. I literally want to throw up. This is why you put these things on tape. That wouldn't have happened if I didn't have it on tape. We're gonna shut it off for now. I don't think I ate any of it, but I should have known better. That's what you call having a shitty day. I guess she was under pressure, huh? I've had worse days of my life, but that one is right up there. Oh, God. Okay, anymore. Oh, that was so nasty. Trying not to think about it. At least it's just my poo and my wife's. Oh, God. Don't try this at home, kids. All right, we got some big old holes in there now, so. Okay. Oh, God. Oh. Most people would have blew chow after that event. I'm pretty close, but I think I can do it. My poor GoPro is gonna have to be disinfected. All right, so that's the holes now. We're just gonna clean it up with some alcohol, and then we'll put her back together after I get a shower, probably. That's nasty. What can you do, right? Gotta laugh. Viewer discretion is advised on this video. Oh my God. Moron, I should have known better. I thought I released the pressure on the other side. Apparently, I did not. Let me go get something to cut this with. Most of that was water. Don't panic. At least that's what I'm gonna tell myself. For me trying to flush it with the fresh water or whatever. There was some TP in there though. That's why I had it plugged. I got a bunch of it on my t-shirt. Oh, I hope the stack core is good. Unlike a lot of other YouTubers, I don't hide it, sugarcoat it. I make it real. Most of them would have cut that out. I promise you. Yeah, there's a lot of YouTubers out there that like to make it look like life's perfect in the RV world and nothing ever goes wrong. Uh-oh. Sort of like when your tie cord tube busts open. This is the video from hell right here. Oh man. Thank you, Amazon, for sending me such a good product. Ugh. Another pair of gloves. Oh my God. Catastrophe. Maybe I should quit right now. Usually when things start going wrong like this, it's a sign from above. So I put a little Dicor on it. Now we're going to set this down in here. And it's just 3 sheet metal screws that hold it. Hopefully, we can find the holes again. Come on up out of there. It's already setting up, so we'll just try to find the center of this and just pound new ones in. Get over there. Okay, come on. God, I get this shit everywhere. Besides a shower. All right, I'm gonna get a shower. Come back. All right, I'm back from my 6 showers. Try to get clean. And obviously I changed. I'm gonna put my best shirt on because I'm gonna do some battery work after this. And I don't want to ruin the shirt. But we're all done. I put 2 more self-tapping screws in here and here because I wasn't real happy with the way them other ones were biting. And once that Dicor sets up, we'll give it a whirl. But I obviously, with the blowout that I had in my face, I know that's what the problem was. So should work a lot better now, even just with the bigger holes. So all we have to do now is hook up this is our freshwater gravity fill. We got to hook that on the door, and we got to get the door in, which is the hardest part, without a doubt. So, and if you ever take these off, I noticed this screw here was loose on mine and this one, which was causing this fiberglass piece to flex a little. So I tightened them up. You always got to look around for loose stuff, because you know America's roads aren't the best. So, all right, let me go get the boss lady and we'll see if we can get this door on. Okay, can't back up now. Okay. Okay. Try right there.
Okay.
Get one on the other side. Try not to drop it. This is the hard one because
how do you get in there?
there's not a lot of room. Got to come up a hair. Right about there. Hold it there.
I'm doing my best.
Oh,
There?
not really, but I'll try.
Higher? Lower?
Does it look straight? Little stripes? Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
All right.
I'm good. You're done with me?
Yeah, I'm done with you. Thanks for your help. Come on, baby. There. That's one. That's two. I say hard side because I have to thread them in the crack there without dropping them. So it helps to have a magnetic bit. By the way, if you own a Tiffin or probably any other RV, go get these Milwaukee bits. They got a little rubber coating here. They're hardened and they are a lifesaver because they have a magnetic tip that usually will hold the screw. So I have to bring it in up here. This is the tricky part. It drops off before I can get it to the hole. So we're going to wrap it up with a little painter's tape. And we're going to try to fish it down from the top, like so, and get it started. Oh, I need a light. My light. I don't know if that's it or not. We'll give it a whirl. Hopefully. Let's see if we can get this guy to go. Oh, he is. Come on, baby. There we are. Oh man, we gotta wait. Okay. That one bit. All right. That's that. They get a minor scratch in there, but it ain't the first one. It's been scratched before. Actually, it shows up a lot more because this door is set now. Whereas before it was flopping around loose. All right. Well, that's that. The door's on. The stripes line up. That's the key thing. I'm sure these front ones do too because I just had them done at Tiffin. And I marked the holes before I took it apart. So that's that. That's how you repair a clogged flush nozzle black tank. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. And if you did, click the like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Hopefully it's not as crappy as this one.